Hello students, today in this video we are going to discuss how to add rational numbers, how to multiply rational numbers. Rational number. Adding and subtracting rational numbers. Case 1, adding and subtracting when like denominators. Now see, for example, let's take first example, 9 by 14 plus 13 by minus 14. Now in this question, how to solve this? Here we can see denominator is 14 and here also denominator is 14, but here this is minus 14. You can see this is minus 14. So first what we have to do, we have to write this standard form. So we can write 9 by 14 plus minus 13 upon 14. Now here you can see the denominator are now same. So when denominator are same, directly we can write 14. If we take the LCM, the 14 will come only. So directly we write 14, and in numerator we can add 9 plus minus 13. So we get 9 plus into minus, we get minus 13 upon 14. So we get minus 4 upon 14. Now this is not in standard form, so we can write this in standard form. We can cancel it by table of 2, it will go 2 times. By table of 2, it will go 7 times. So the number is minus 2 upon 7. Operations on rational number. Adding and subtracting rational number. Now case 2. Case 2, adding and subtracting. Adding and subtracting with unlike denominators. Now first take example. For example, minus 5 by 8 plus 3 upon minus 7. Now how to add? Here the denominator are unlike terms. So first we write minus 5 upon 8 plus minus 3 upon 7. Now this is in standard form now. Now you can see here 8 and 7 is the denominator. So directly we can take out the LCM of 8 and 7. So LCM of 8 and 7, LCM of 8 and 7. So if we will take out, so we will get 56. 56 you will get here. Now this 56, where you have to write here 56. Now after this You can see this in table of 8. In table of 8, how many times 56 will come? So it will come 7 times. So you multiply 7 minus 5 into 7 plus minus 3. In table of 7, 56 will come 8 times. So multiply with 8. So you get minus 5 into 7, minus 35 plus minus 24 by 56. So you will get minus 35 plus into minus, you will get minus upon 56. So minus 59 upon 56. So this we can write in mixed fraction minus 1, 56 here in denominator, and here we can write 3. So this is the answer. Multiplying rational numbers. Type 1. Multiplying a fraction in rational number and integers. Now let's take first example. Multiply 3 into 1 upon 5. So how to multiply? So first 3 into, now this we have to convert into improper fraction. So 5 into 1 5, 5 plus 1 6 by 5. Now after this we can see here we can't cancel it by any of the table. So what we will do, we have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Here nothing is here, it means 1 is here. So when we multiply denominator with denominator, so what we will get? So 3 into 6 is 18. 1 into 5 is 5. So this we have to write in mixed fraction. So we get 5 3 upon. So this is the final answer. Now let's take one more example. Minus 8 into, in bracket, 2 7 upon 16. So first we write minus 8 into, now this convert this into mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 into 16 is 32. 32 plus 7 is 39 upon 16. Now here we can see this numerator and denominator we can cancel because it is coming in table of 8. So 8 1 times, 8 2 times. Now after this we multiply this numerator with numerator. So 1 into 39 is 39. So minus sign is there. So minus 39.2, or we can write minus 19 1 upon 2. So this is the final answer. Multiplying fractional rational numbers. Now let's try to understand here with few examples. First example, minus 4 by 5 into minus 2 by 3. So first we write minus 4 by 5 into minus 2 by 3. Now here you can see this, we have to multiply this numerator with this numerator and this denominator with this denominator. So we get here 4 into 2 is 8, 5 into 3 is 50. Now minus into minus is plus, this minus sign into minus sign is equals to plus. So our answer is minus 8 upon 50. Now let's see the another example. Another example is 5 1 by 7 into minus 1 1 by 6. So first convert this into improper. So 5 into 7 is 35. 35 plus 1 is 36 upon 7 into, in same way 1 into 6 is 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 6. Minus sign is here, so put here minus sign. Now you can see this numerator and denominator, this we can cancel by table of 6. So it will go 6 1 times and table of 6 it will go 6 times. In same way this we can cancel 7 1 time and 7 1 time. Now after this we have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 6 into 1 we get 6. Minus sign is here, so put minus sign, and 1 into 1 is 1 only. So our answer is minus 6. Now let's take one more example. Minus 1 1 upon 13 into minus 3 1 by 70. So first convert this into improper. So 1 into 13 is 13. 13 plus 1 14. So minus 14 upon 13 into, here 3 into 17 is 51. 52 upon 70. Now here we can cancel in table of 13, 52, 13 4s are 13 4 times, 13 1 times and 13 4 times is 52. Now we multiply this numerator with numerator. So what we got here? So minus 14 into minus 4, we get 56 upon 70. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you very much.